गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल द क्यूरियस मम्मी। आज मैं आप सबको बताऊंगी कि किस तरह से आप अपने डार्क और पिगमेंटेड लिप्स को कवर कर सकते हैं। जनरली क्या होता है, जब आप लोगों के लिप्स डार्क होते हैं, पिगमेंटेड होते हैं, तो हम लोग डार्क कलर की लिपस्टिक के थ्रू उसको हाइड करने की कोशिश करते हैं। दैट इज़ द केस विद मी। तो यू कैन सी दैट माई लिप्स आर नॉट that dark, but they are not pink also, and they are not very light in color. This is an improved version of my lips. When Sarah was born, it was just so bad that I was not able to leave it like that. I had to put something on my lips all the time, and it was really dry. I'm doing a home remedy these days, and things are working for me right now. So in the future videos मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी कि किस तरह से मेरे dark lips better हुए हैं. But right now let's just focus on what we are talking today on. कैसे आप अपने dark pigmented lips को कवर कर सकते हैं. यू डोंट नीड टू डू एनीथिंग स्पेशल एंड यू कैन यूज़ एनी लाइट लिपस्टिक ऑन योर लिप्स. राइट गाइज, हम लोगों के लिप्स डार्क होते हैं तो हम लोग डार्क कलर की लिपस्टिक लगाते हैं. लाइट कलर की लिपस्टिक वी डोंट प्रेफर, एंड न्यूड्स आर राइट नाउ वेरी इन. Nudes and pinks are like very in the season. I am one person who generally avoid all these colors because first of all, nudes is just not for me. They make me feel really washed out. And pinks is something, if I put pink on my lips, you can see pigmentation underneath my lipstick, so I avoid putting it. And I've seen a lot of people commenting on my social media sites that I should apply something light, I should change my lip shades, and right now I am disclosing why I don't use all the light lip shades. So without making you guys wait, let's start this quickly. The first thing which you need to do is like your skin needs exfoliation, your lips also need a lot of exfoliation. What we guys do these days is we tend to scrub our faces and put a lot of packs on our faces, but this area is something which has been not taken care of that much. हम लोग इसको छोड़ देते हैं just because of the fact that we think कि इधर क्या करना है. And I was one of that person. मैं अपना face scrub करती थी, face mask लगाती थी, DIYs face के लिए करती थी. I used to go for facials and bleaches, but I never used anything for this. And these days there are a lot of lip masks and all that which are coming, but right now we are not talking about that. We are talking about how to cover our dark lips with any lipstick of your choice, and how to do it properly. So first thing which comes in the process is exfoliation. So I'm using this lips scrub from Forest Essential. This is for like 650 rupees, and this is the best thing you can have in your vanity. So first we need to do is exfoliation. So what you need to do is this is almost empty because I use it a lot. So this is like this, and you have to take a bit of it on your finger, and you just need to massage your lips like you scrub it. So for this matter, you need to massage it nicely, and especially the corners and the upper and lower area. Once you're done exfoliating, leave it for like 1 minute and then wipe it off with a tissue paper or a wet wipe. I'm using a tissue paper. Feel my lips, they are really smooth, and you can see the difference instantly. So they are almost exfoliated, and you can feel blood just oozing into your lips. It's because scrubbing actually promote blood flow, increase of blood flow in your skin also and in your lips also. So that will actually plump up your lips also. So in case you are looking for something which can plump up your lips, exfoliation, that is scrubbing is really important. The second thing is applying a lip balm. These days I'm very much into this Biotic whitening lip balm, which is I really like it, which is just 775 rupees, and I really like it. I've used a lot of it. This is actually helping me a lot, so I really like it. What you need to do is take a bit of it, and this is actually a plain one which with no tint or any color in it. So just need to apply it like you apply any lip balm. These are the steps which I do before I start my makeup. So right now I'm all glammed up. I'm done my base makeup, though it's not very fancy. I've just put a little bit of foundation and a kajal. I haven't put anything else on my face. But these are the exfoliation and moisturizing your lips is the step which I do before I start my makeup, so that my lip balm gets settled inside the lips and the cracks also. So once you apply lip balm, just massage it nicely, stretching up your lips so that it goes inside the cracks and the lines of your lips. See, so once this is done, leave it like that and do your own makeup. So give like 5-10 minutes for the lips to get into the flow and nice and soft. So once that is done, step again is wipe off any extra lip balm you have on your lips. So I just dab it with the tissue paper, and it's now ready for us to start with the process of basically how to cover dark lips. So the next thing you need to do is to cover your dark lips is basically put any foundation or any concealer you have at home. I'm using my favorite, the Maybelline Fit Me 3110 natural sun beige is my shade. Your lips are really dark and highly pigmented. Use a corrector, guys. LA Pro Girl corrector, the orange one is my favorite and works wonderfully on anything. Earlier I used to have very dark color marks on my face because of the acne outburst I have, so I used to use that pro concealer, so I used to use that corrector, but right now they are not that much, so I have stopped using it. Though I have backup of it, but I'm not able to find it, otherwise I would have shown it to you guys. You can go to Nykaa, you can go to any website, find out for LA Girl Pro corrector, which is orange in color, in case your lips are highly pigmented, in case really dark. My lips are not that much dark, so I'm using my foundation. You just need to take a bit of it. So I have taken a very small quantity. You can see a large quantity because it got wiped off. So I'm taking very small quantity. I'm gonna just take my makeup sponge. I'm not taking a blender because I just need to dab it up on my lips. You just need to dab it up on your lips. So next thing which you need to do is outline your lips. Which I'm doing it because I've put a foundation, so looking out for lines of my lip is really difficult because I really need to define my lips. So I'm going to use a lip pencil to basically outline my lips because they are like right now completely merged because of the foundation I've put. ADS Pro Photo Finish Color Crayon, and this is really nice, just like the one, I think the Maybelline one, they have like the same one, and I think this is just like a dupe of it, so you can use it. And I'm just doing it. Make sure that the tip of that pencil, make sure that the tip of the pencil is really pointy so that you can highlight your lips nicely. So just outline your lips. And I can give you another tip, guys. You can actually highlight the cupid bows with just single step. You need to just look at me how I'm doing, and you need to do like that. So you just need to, I'm not sure you'll be able to see it, but I've just put a cross here, and this way your cupid bow will instantly lift up. So I've outlined it. The next step is applying a lipstick. I'm using a very light shade. According to me, this is really light. This is Maybelline New York Lip Gradation by Color Sensational. The shade is orange one. I don't use orange color because it doesn't suits my skin tone. That is what I feel. A lot of people told me that this will look really nice, but I'm trying this, I think, the third or fourth time. Other time which I have applied, I actually rub it off and applied my dark color lipstick, which actually covered my pigmented layers. But right now I'm using this, and we'll see what difference the design which we do to cover our lips has make a difference. So this is like this. I love the shade. This is like coralish orangish color, but I don't apply it. So let's apply it for the first time and see how it looks. Because this is a lip gradation lipstick, we can actually smudge it a bit, and I really like to do that because it just makes the color a little different. So we'll just this is how it looks right now. I think the color looks really dark on the screen, but it is not that dark. You can apply any light color also on your lips, and your dark color lips won't show underneath. And also, in case your lips are really dark, apply a bit of concealer also, and then it'll be more easier for you to highlight your lips with the light color, any pink subtle color you want on your lips. By this way you can cover your dark lips and use any kind of lip shades you want to use, and you won't feel any complex. So guys, this is the way which I use to cover my dark lips, and I'm sure you guys gonna watch it and like it. In case you don't like it, do comment, let me know what all improvement you want me to do in my videos. And in case you like it, any appreciation, any comment on that would actually boost my confidence and make me do more good work with my channel. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you.